Good morning and welcome to the National Gallery of Jamaica. We are the largest gallery of this type in the English-speaking Caribbean, and we have been around since 1974. Our original location was at the Devon House, but we have since moved downtown here to this location, which is at 12 Ocean Boulevard, since the 1980s. Now, the National Gallery of Jamaica is the largest gallery of this type in English-speaking Caribbean. We have a revolving exhibition program, and we tend to have between 2 to 3 major exhibitions per year. Those exhibitions primarily focus on Jamaican artistic expression, and it usually features some of the best artists in Jamaica, but also artists that are within the Jamaican diaspora and the Caribbean diaspora. We also serve the purpose of being a museum. So we document artistic expression in Jamaica from the time of the Taino all the way up through the period of enslavement to emancipation and the contemporary period, nationalism, independence, and the contemporary times. Now, we also have a branch in Western Jamaica, National Gallery West in Montego Bay at the Montego Bay Cultural Center, which focuses on art from Western Jamaica. But here in Kingston, we focus on the entire island. And we have major exhibitions such as our biennial, our Kingston Biennial, which happens every 2 years. And we also tend to do retrospectives on major Jamaican artists.
Brilliant, thank you. Look at it.